Well, hi everyone. We're back here in the garage about to finish up on this project using Duplicolor's custom wrap removable spray paint. And I want to share with you just another tip that might help your project come along a little bit smoother. When removing the overspray, I noticed that using a wet rag or wet towel, it was kind of tough to scrub off that overspray, and it didn't start coming off easier until the towels got drier. So what I have here is a dry microfiber towel, and I recommend using a microfiber towel. They're not too expensive. Where you got your paint, you could probably find some instead of using a paper towel, because paper towel is, well, a paper towel, and you don't want to rub off any overspray and put some scratches into your finish. So don't push too hard, don't really need to, but we've got some overspray right here. I'm gonna find part of the microfiber towel that actually has some overspray already on it. I found that the dirtier the towel gets, the better it removes, and real nice and light, just back and forth, and it should come right off for you. Again, drier towels work better than wetter towels. Now, in our last video, we talked about the problem I had creating straight lines using the masking tape method. And if you're having problems with your lines coming out funky, because when you pull your masking tape, you get that skin pulling on the line you want to keep, go take a look at my other video. Basically, you just have to masking tape, spray a coat down, peel that masking tape off quickly, masking tape, spray a coat down, peel that masking tape off quickly, and you got to do that over and over and over again. And that's how I was able to get the straighter lines that I wanted without that problem of peeling off and distorting the line. So hope these tips help you out with your project, and I hope they save you some time and avoid the pitfalls that I made while using this. So hope your projects come out great.